Here we are down at the workshop. So a bit of an update. We haven't done one. We haven't been able to do one because everything's been out. So this has been our busiest year so far. We've been flat out with bikes. There's been really nothing left in, but Easter's over, rush is over, everybody's coming back. What I am seeing is a bit of normality again in the holidays, so stuff like that. But look, let's have a look around the workshop, what we've been doing. Well, we've updated all our clothing now. We've got these nice Ducati mechanic jackets for riders if they want to just take a lightweight jacket. We've also got our usual fleeces as well. They all come included in the rental, right? You've got that. You've got all your normal open face helmets and stuff. We've got our t-shirt ranges, which always a deal on for a t-shirt, yeah? If you talk to us, you can always get a deal with a t-shirt. We've got armoured jackets. Armoured jackets now. Here's our chief mechanic. All right, Billy Bum? Yeah. Billy's down there. Just giving that Enfield a service. What else have we had on? Oh, we've upgraded now. We've got a few open face helmets in now as well. We wasn't doing open face helmets before because of the restrictions with pandemics and stuff like that, but now we can. So we've added some open face in. Fleet wise, Harley Davidsons. We've got a 1200 Sportster. We've got the 883. 2 Harleys there for rental. We've got the bobber just tucked away in there. Nice bike that. We've now upgraded with the Himalayan, with the Royal Enfield fleet. So we've got Royal Enfield Himalayan with the top box, as everybody keeps asking us for. So we've done the top box as well. We have got the new Triumph T120 tucked in. Nice bike. And next to that, 25-year-old classic Bonneville. Yeah. I mean, I say classic Bonneville for 25 years old. For me, a classic Bonneville's about 40, 50 years plus. MotoGuzzis, or motorbikes, as they keep telling me. Ducatis. One Ducati is out, our other Ducati is in. Royal Enfields. There's just no room here anymore. We're going to have to get a bigger workshop. We've got the Royal Enfield GT for the man who likes the cafe racer. We've also got the Royal Enfield there. What's that? I don't know it now. I can't remember the name of that bike. Interceptor, of course. Interceptor. The new MotoGuzzi 850 along with those aftermarket pipes. So there you go. We have got it all going on down here. So, bit of a fleet update. You know where we are, 𝗘𝗀𝘆𝗲𝗄𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏.com. Find us on the web or call us at the office.